Strengthening Yuen method for the major arcana, the Sun. This card represents enlightenment, truth, and expansion. It symbolizes clarity, joy, and success in all aspects of life. Its energy inspires us to shine authentically, break free from darkness, and tap into our inner power. Listen to this strengthening for 7 days before moving to the next arcana. We align your energy with confidence, joy, and vitality. Powerful in detecting and removing blocks, doubts, and shadows hindering growth. Enhancing your ability to feel, perceive, and intuit for greater well-being. Boosting your personal radiance, certainty, and abundance to unlock your potential. We strengthen the alignment of your enlightenment, clarity, and success. We'll amplify emotions, sensations, and reactions of joy, vitality, and optimism. Strengthening your energetic link to personal and ancestral memories of achievement. Strong to speak truth confidently and openly. We foster thoughts, feelings, and actions for growth and abundance. We deepen the connection to inner light and higher self. We expand awareness through self-reflection, curiosity, and presence. Strong to release and leave past shadows behind. Strong to embrace the light within. We unite mind, body, and spirit in harmony. We blend your inner child with your conscious adult self. Strong to build happy, mindful relationships. We cultivate honest bonds without secrets or deceit. Strong to feel love and compassion for others' growth. We nurture trust, joy, and patience in relationships. We boost your career success, recognition, and progress in your purpose. We strengthen your 6 core pillars for growth, stability, and prosperity. We'll balance your left and right brain hemispheres in both directions. Empowering inspiration, creativity, and idea implementation. We foster positive emotions and attitudes to attract new opportunities. We enhance bodily systems for vitality, energy, and well-being. We boost cellular recovery, regeneration, and rejuvenation. We strengthen your skin, nervous system, and heart. Fortifying balance between your body, mind, and spirit. We'll connect you to solar energy, boosting confidence and self-esteem. We increase your ability to overcome obstacles joyfully and swiftly. Clarifying your life's purpose and connecting it to your talents. We bolster personal growth and expansion in this life stage. We reinforce your authenticity, inner joy, and trust in life. We strengthen your life. Embrace the light of truth, self-awareness, and openness to all information. We strengthen awareness of the all-encompassing energy. Nurture your innocence, joy, and purity. We boost your vitality, strength, and noble spirit. We enhance prosperity, eternal vitality, and expanding awareness. Let's reduce tendencies towards excessive ego, arrogance, and pride. Release false illusions, prejudices, and unfounded fears. Identify and remove blocks to happiness and clarity. We'll erase memories of shallow, unclear, and uncommitted relationships. Feel success, joy, truth, and abundance before they visibly manifest. May awareness light your path, aligning all for well-being and growth. We integrate all these strengths into your midline. We strengthen your central nervous system, spine, sacrum, coccyx, and tail. We fortify microbodies, quantum particles, atoms, cells, and molecules to receive this info. We reinforce tissues, organs, systems, and structures to integrate all this information. We'll connect and integrate everything from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, back to front, and front to back. We strengthen internal and external dynamics, limits, and vertices of all geometries we work with here. At 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time, with infinite time. We erase all weaknesses and anything that hinders, limits, delays, or blocks progress. To zero minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We send the mind's assumptions to other universes, dimensions, dark matter, black holes, and unknown places. Prepare to reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel? The same or different?